Mia Robinson from West Green is 15 years old. Her birthday's on the 26th of September. She hasn't got any brothers or sisters, but she's got 3 great friends: Lena, Mateo, and Noah. Mia is sometimes bossy, but she's a good friend and very kind. One of Mia's favourite hobbies is listening to music. She's also interested in cooking and eating healthy food. Mia's other hobbies are sports and outdoor activities, especially walking and hiking with friends in the countryside. Mia has a very busy life.